Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Mike Hultquist from Chili Pepper Madness, and I'm here today to talk to you about one of the best meat thermometers I've ever used, and that is the Thermoworks Thermapen. This thing is actually pretty awesome, and I've used a lot of meat thermometers in the past, and a lot of them were just disappointing or completely inaccurate. And anytime you're cooking with meat, cooking by temperature is really the best way to do it. If you're on the grill or in the smoker, you know, some people like to cook by touch, by visual, you know, that little test and all that kind of stuff. That can work okay, but a lot of times you're just not getting the best treatment of your meat, and you want to really respect the meat, right? So what you really want to do is get a great meat thermometer, and that's where this comes in. So I actually like this product so much that I've become an affiliate, and I stand behind this product 100%, so let's kind of talk about some of the features of it. Okay, what I really love about the Thermapen here is it's got a really huge display, and you can see it's pretty warm out here. I'm right by the grill, and the display large numbers, and it rotates no matter which way you're going, so you can check the temperatures of whatever you're cooking from different angles and whichever hand you're most comfortable with. And it's also got a backlight, which is great for cooking in the dark or at night like I do a lot of times, and it's super fast read. So I'll pop this right in here, and my chicken's not quite done yet, but yeah, look at that, it's getting close, getting close. Within a few seconds I got my temperature reading. Checked it. Oh, this part's done. All right. The Thermapen also comes with a certificate of calibration right here, which is pretty cool, and it's accurate to within 0.7 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's pretty darn accurate. So that's it, guys. I actually use this all the time. Highly recommended. I am an affiliate. Click the link below to check out the Thermapen from Thermoworks, and you know, anytime you have any questions, feel free to email me anytime. I'm happy to talk about the product, talk about how I use it, and I hope you like it. Have a good one.